Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me. I'm the secret biggest fan of staying friends. We can chill with everyone. I need someone.
Oh my Jesus. Hey y'all, welcome back to another cleaning video. So in today's video, we are going to be getting the house in order. I'm just going to be doing my regular daily cleaning routine. So I will be popping in and out of this video, but to get straight into the video, we are starting off in the kids room. If you are new here, I am a 25-year-old stay-at-home mom of two. I have a 4-year-old boy and I have a 2-year-old girl.
Like Bob Saget, greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? I'm still playing the victim, and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing.
So while I was picking up the kids' toys, I did see that their toy organizer bins needed to be wiped out. I don't usually do this, so this was one of the extra things. In the spray bottle, I did have some water and some Pine Sol, and then I'm using a microfiber cloth to wipe out the bins. So while I am wiping out the bins, I usually use that time to get rid of any broken toys that I see, but this time they didn't have really any broken toys to get rid of.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
So if y'all was wondering, y'all probably wasn't, but if y'all were, there is 2 beds and a playpen in their room. So Janae, she has her own bed now, but I just don't feel like she's at that age where she can be in her own bed without playing games and getting up in the middle of the night. So that's why she still has her playpen up and she still sleeps in there in the middle of the night. But I think soon I will try to get her to learn how to sleep in her bed and not get up throughout the night.
If your girl only knew that you was dissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone. She would probably curse you out and unplug her phone.
Alright, so moving on to the kitchen. I did have some leftover meatballs in the crock pot. The dishes was filled to the rim. So we're going to be starting off with the dishes. I do like to rinse all the dishes off, and then I'm going to be cleaning inside of the sink with some dish soap, and then inside of the spray bottle is some water and mixed with bleach. And then after that, I like to fill up the sink with some hot water, and then I do add a little bit of bleach to my dish water. I don't do bleach every time, but I do it like every other time.
Unplug her phone. She be glad
So Halloween is coming up. It's not close, but it's coming. So I have never went trick-or-treating my whole entire life. With the kids, we usually just put them in a Halloween costume and then we'll just give them a basket full of candy that we bought. But now Jaden is 4, so I feel like he would really appreciate going trick-or-treating. So I know y'all gonna be like, girl, be for real. But this is a serious question. How is the trick-or-treat, like how is the Halloween process for you as a parent if you've taken your kids trick-or-treating? For me, one of the reasons why we didn't go trick-or-treating is because supposedly people do things to the candy. In these times now, I know you should check the candy, like check your kids' candy and then let them eat it, but is that even like a thing? Like what's the process? I was thinking about just letting them go trick-or-treating for the experience and then just replacing their candy with candy that we bought. Or is it like, girl, it's not that deep. Just check the candy. If it's not open, just let them eat it. I don't know. I never did it, so it's like, but yeah, we're thinking about taking them trick or treating for the first time, so we'll see how that goes.
Cups of the roses, bitches in my whole phone. She call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say, fuck that nigga that you think you found. You said you pick up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying, do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying, do better.
Okay, so I'm wiping everything down with some hot water and pine sol. The smell of pine sol, it just lingers for a long time and it cleans really well too. So I am also cleaning inside of the microwave. We don't use the microwave that often, so I usually only clean it when I see that it visually needs to be cleaned, but I think I should probably just start wiping it out just to, sanitize it. But after that, moving on, I did add just a little something to the kitchen. So this wood stand is from Amazon, and then the candle and the little fake plant house thing is from Walmart, just to add a little something. So after that, I vacuumed the floor so I can get ready to mop. I used to boil hot water every time I mopped, but I guess it just depends on your floor. You don't really want to mess up the floor by using hot water every time. So I only use hot water here and there when I feel like the kitchen floor needs a really good deep clean. I'm just saying, do better. Moving on to the porch. So that black stand is the kids' old TV stand. They broke their TV, so the day that they broke their TV, I had told their dad, just put the TV stand in the basement because it's still in good shape. And he was like, no, let's put it on the porch because we can use it. So I was like, okay. So I did get these baskets. Y'all will see me put them in the little cubby space in a minute. But I got these baskets off of Amazon. I just didn't want to walk in, or I just didn't want it to be where it's like you walk in and then you see it and it's like, whose old TV stand is this? Because it clearly looks like a TV stand. So to kind of spruce it up, I wanted to add these baskets. Now the baskets came folded. I don't have a steamer or an iron, so I had to boil some water and try to use that steam to shape it as best as I could. But eventually I'm gonna get an iron, then I'm gonna try to shape them. I don't know what I'm gonna fill the baskets with yet, but it will get used. So I'm also thinking about getting like a really, I don't know, like not a big statue, but like a statue, and getting some other things to decorate the top of the stand. But just let me know if y'all like the baskets that I added, or do they look right? Do they not look right? Let me know. So anytime our room floor looks like this, it's because of the kids. So yeah, but we did take out our air conditioner. So this was the aftermath of that. So I'm just going to get ready to vacuum the windowsill. So we didn't take out the kids' air conditioner yet because their blinds are messed up. They messed up their blinds like the first week that we moved here. So I'm waiting until we get them some curtains. I'm not even going to try to even worry about trying to get them blinds. I'm not. I'm not even about to sit here and try to measure and try to see. I'm not doing it. I'm just going to wait until they get some curtains. We'll take out the air conditioner, and we'll probably get like sheer, I think it's called sheer, right? Sheer curtains where people can't just see into their window through their chewed up blinds, but also they could, the like daylight will still come in. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm definitely not getting. We're not getting them no blinds. I'm not even gonna worry about blinds. Eventually, we'll get them some new blinds, but not right now.
You never get treated nice. Fool you once, that's fine, but you look dumb if you let them repeat it twice. 200 mil on the table, I hope I'm able to get this agreement signed. Told you I needed time, but really the truth is I don't believe in time. Feel like I've been here over 1,000 years, like since the medieval times. And I'm still just a cutthroat king, even though this is recent times. A man my dad that we're beefing with, but we don't do grieving time. Fuck teasing time, if I come inside you, it's breathing time. So much for idols. KMT with an eye roll. Knew that I made it when I had drivers holding my last name up in arrivals. Cinch might need vaccine when he see how this vid start going viral. If leaders dead and the masters there with grains in there like silos. The morning rain clouds up my window. I swear I feel like Dido. JAUM, how it looks when man put you in a...
Cleaning shower walls is like the worst thing to me. The amount of arm work, girl, please. So I'm using this OxyClean foaming spray to spray all over the walls. I'm going to be letting that sit while I move on to the rest of the bathroom. But this is like my daily cleaning routine. But like I said, I did add a few extras. So this is one of them. I don't always clean the bathroom walls when I am cleaning the bathroom. I know I probably should, but I don't. So for the rest of the bathroom, I'm wiping everything down with some hot water and pine salt, like I've been saying throughout this whole video. After that, I will move back to the shower to scrub it the best that I can and rinse everything off. So what has made cleaning the shower walls in the tub easier, which is like a no-brainer, I know, but we didn't have one, which is a shower head with a hose, and made everything so much easier.
I don't care for the man. Them crib so big I might get out of breath if I walk too quick up the stairs in a mansion. They weren't there for the action. Tryna round up 300 spot and we're going to war, but we ain't in Athens. Everything won't go to plan, that's not how it goes. I'm afraid shit happens. Rap boy on a footballer's wage, I'm on the same pay as the players at Dallas. What's making the haters jealous? I think of the AP's 18 carats. They call me my government name in Harris.
So moving on to another thing that y'all know darn well I don't try to do on a regular basis, which is clean this grout in the bathroom. So I'm using the Goo Gone grout cleaner, and it didn't do a thing. On the bottle it says to spray it on there, let it sit for 2 minutes, scrub it, and then wipe it off with some water. It didn't make a difference. I did let it sit for longer than 2 minutes, but I didn't let it sit for that long. So maybe next time I should let it sit longer and then try, or try to do it a lot more often so eventually it would get cleaner and brighter, or I should probably just try something different. I don't know. We'll see. This day I was tired, so at this point, after cleaning the whole house, I was just like, I'm just gonna give up for the day. So after that, I did wipe it up with some hot water, and I added a dab of pine sol because I already know that the spray was gonna have the floor really, really soapy. So yeah, it was mostly water to wipe everything up. But y'all can see it looks darker. That's because it was wet. But once it dried, it looked exactly the same. So yeah, but after that, I'm changing the scent in the essential oil mister to this vanilla one, and it smells really, really good. So I tried to hang up this hanging shelf, y'all. Me and my boyfriend, we watched the videos on how to properly hang, like put command hooks on the wall. I'm telling y'all, I let them hooks sit on the wall all day. Like, I'm talking about, I cleaned the whole house, I cleaned the bathroom, and then I tried to hang something on the command hook. So it had plenty of time to like stick to the wall. And this wall is the type of wall where you can't really put a nail through it, because I don't know, it's like if it's brick behind it, I don't know, but it's one of those walls. And the shelf wasn't heavy, I don't feel like. So yeah, but this plant that I put on there, I ended up just moving it to the radiator once it fell. Oh my Jesus. So I was just standing there in shock and I was just over it. So we are towards the end of this video. I really do hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, please give this video a big like, comment down below anything, and I will see y'all in my next one.
I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? Why you wanna play so